Sending an invoice on Payoneer is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, land into the web page payoneer.custhelp.com. So as you see, we can get an idea of requesting a payment from here. Now scroll down the page to see a number of relevant topics being covered. Let's dive into the question, how do I start using request payment? First, to request a payment, click on Get Paid. Then, this is what you can see in the main menu of your Payoneer account. Now choose to request a payment. Fill out the payment details and then submit a request. After this, once done, we will send an email to the desired payer with instructions on how to make a payment. Following this, you can request a payment on Payoneer. Requesting a payment on Payoneer can offer several benefits, particularly if you are a freelancer, online seller, or have clients or partners internationally.